Magandang araw po. Ito po si Mai. Welcome po sa My Update TV. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ng isang manifesto galing po sa mga graduates ng Philippine Military Academy. Ang karamihan dito ay ang iba ata ay retired na. Binanggit po nila sa kanila pong manifesto ang kanilang posisyon at ang kanila pong demand. Bago natin pag-usapan yan, kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating pong topic ngayon, maaari niyo pong i-click ang subscribe button sa ibaba. Malaking tulong po ito sa pagpapatuloy ng ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. Kung meron mo po kayong komento ay malaya po kayo ihayag ang inyong opinion sa comment section. At atin po itong i-shoutout sa ating susunod na video. Salamat po at ingat po kayo lagi. Tuloy po natin ang ating topic. Noong una, ang manifesto na ito ay maiksi lang ang pangalan. Pero bandang huli, nag-update po si Ms. KLC ng updated list ng signatories. Ibig sabihin, nadadagdagan pa po ang mga sumusuporta sa manifesto na ito galing sa PMA graduates. Basahin po natin ang kanilang manifesto. Sabi dito, Manifesto from Philippine Military Academy Graduates. Manifesto for the Defense of Democratic Rights and the immediate release of Dr. Lorraine Badoy Partosa and Mr. Jeffrey K. Eric Celis. Ang pagkakakulong po ni K. Eric at Doc Badoy ay pumapasok na po sa pang-anim na araw. Habang tumatagal ay dumadami ang sumusuporta. Isa na dito ang PMA graduates. Tuloy po natin. Sila po ay humihingi ng immediate release ni Doc Lorraine at ni K. Eric. Ito na po an unyielding stand against the erosion of democratic liberties. In the gravest terms, we, the custodians of liberty and justice, together with our spouses, families, and the broader community of allies, rise in unison and assert our resolute and unflinching support for Dr. Lorraine Badoy and Mr. K. Eric Celis. Their current hunger strike symbolizes a profound and direful protest against the flagrant abuse of legislative authority of the House of Representatives, a body that has strayed from its noble mandate and succumbed to wielding its power as a weapon against the very citizen it is bound to serve. Yun po ang sabi nila sa kanilang stand na lumilihis na daw po ang House of Representatives sa kanilang noble mandate. Ang kanilang posisyon, immediate release of Dr. Lorraine Badoy at K. Eric Celis. Our uncompromising position, zero tolerance for injustice. We condemn, in the most vigorous terms, the detention of our compatriots under the guise of legislative inquiry. This act is a miscarriage of justice and a blatant affront to the rule of law. Pangalawa, imperative for transparency. We declare that the pursuit of truth, especially regarding the use of public funds, is not a discretionary activity but a fundamental right. And when those in power stifle this pursuit, they betray the public trust. Sacrosanct rights under attack. We sound the alarm that the freedom of speech and press, the very lifeblood of our democracy, are under siege. When protectors of truth are persecuted for involving their legal rights, it is a clarion call for a defenders of liberty to stand in opposition. Unwavering support for press freedom, we steadfastly support the full implementation of RA 11458. Any attempt to undermine this law is an attack on the very foundation of our democratic society. Ang RA 11458 po, ito po yung tinatawag na SOTO law, na sinabi po na kay Eric na siya po ay under ng SOTO law, subalit sabi po ng committee hearing, ay hindi daw po sakop si Ka Eric. Narito po kanilang demand, according sa nilang manifesto, immediate release of Dr. Badoy, Partosa, and Mr. Celis. We demand the immediate and unconditional release of our colleagues. Their detention is not only illegitimate, but also emblematic of a distressing trend of authoritarian overreach. Pangalawa, accountability for legislative overstep. We call for a full and transparent accounting of the actions leading to this egregious detention. Those responsible for this overstep must be held to account. Number 3, restoration of integrity in the House. We urge a swift return to the principles of democratic governance within the House of Representatives. These institutions must not be allowed to devolve into an instrument of political suppression. Our resolve, unwavering support. Our support for Dr. Badoy, Mr. Celis is absolute. We stand shoulder to shoulder with them in their fight against the tyranny of silence and oppression. Active resistance, we pledge to resist with every resource at our disposal the insidious encroachment upon our democratic rights and liberties, and we will not rest until justice is restored. Eternal vigilance, we commit ourselves to the vigilance necessary to safeguard our democracy from those who would seek to undermine it from within the halls of power. In the face of this affront of our democratic way of life, we stand firm. Let it be known that our will cannot be bent, our voices cannot be muted, and our fight for justice will not be deterred. The House of Representatives must heed the call to right this wrong, lest it be forever marked as an enemy of the people it purports to represent. We call upon all who cherish freedom and democracy to join us in this critical stand. Together, we will not falter. Together, we will prevail. Andito po ang kanilang signatories at ang makalaan ng ilang oras ay nadagdagan po ito. Yan po ang kanilang manifesto. Sila po ay nananawagan ng immediate release ni Ka Eric at ni Ka Badoy. At isa sa kanilang mga demand ay full accountability, transparency. Yan din po ang hinihingi po ng ating pong mga kababayan dahil nagsimula po ito expose po ito ni Sasa Trogando. Dahil meron po siyang source dun sa GAA, sa DBM, nakapost yan sa online, nakalagay po doon na 2 billion mahigit. Kung 39 million lamang kanya nagastos sa kanila pong travel expenses, ay meron pa pong natitirang 2 billion. Kung sinagot agad po ito ng House of Representatives kung saan nila ito ginastos, dahil kung pumayag sila ng full transparency, ay tapos na sana po ito. Di sin sana, wala tayong ganito. Kaso, iba ang nangyari. Kaya, isa sa mga manifesto nila, demands ay full accountability at transparency. At pangatlo, ay maibalik ang noble cause, ang noble mandate ng House of Representatives. At hindi ito magamit bilang instrumento ng political suppression. Mabigat po nito sapagkat sila po ay naka-full support kina Doc Badoy at Ka Eric Celis. At sila po ay nananawagan na ng, ulitin ko po, we call upon all who cherish freedom and democracy to join us in this critical stand. Together, we will not falter. Together, we will prevail. Dalayan ko lamang sa ating pagtatapos ay sana matapos ang problema natin ito ng maayos at mapayapa para sa lahat. No? Yan lamang po, kung ano man po yung opinion sa ating pong nireport ngayon na manifesto ng mga PMA graduates, ay malaya po kayong isulat ang inyong pong opinion sa ibaba sa comment section. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo lagi at bye-bye.